Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm back at that park again, because this time I wanted to see the bridge. So this is only going to be a half miler. Well, half mile there and a half mile back, so 1 mile. Nothing really. But we'll just see how the day goes, see how I'm feeling. Got kind of a late start because I was kind of laying in bed this morning, not getting my ass in gear. So here's the bird poo sign. So we'll get to it. Actually, I hadn't been on this part of the trail before, so we'll just see what the day brings. It's a really nice morning. Really nice day. Still, I think it's 10 a.m. right now. That just cuts over the other trail. But I almost didn't go because I got a bunch of video to edit. I got a whole outing, whole other camping trip. I got to edit that, some reviews coming up. And actually I drove out to the airfield yesterday and I just shot some videos. I actually had a review planned, but I forgot the item at home. A little side trail. Oh, I know why, because there's a power line up there. So much just cut over. So May Creek Trail, Waterline Trail, which is the one you just saw, Coal Creek Parkway. Oh wow, that's Coal Creek Parkway? Okay, I know where that is. And then the Wind Tree, 1.3, oh, it goes the other way. I've never seen that on the sign. That might be something to check out sometime. 1.3 miles, that's there and back, so that's a 2.6er. That's doable, very doable. So we'll see how that might be another trip, maybe. I guess we'll see. Oh wow, I did not expect that. Looks like a U.S. Postal Service van. That's kind of cool. I think this is U.S. mail, I think this says. Unless somebody... Yeah. U.S. mail. That is really cool. Cool, unexpected find. I don't know why there's garbage in here. I mean, it'd be interesting to know. I don't know, if you're a car guy and you have an idea what the year is. Not much in way of gauges, unless they were stripped out. I can't even tell what brand the vehicle is. That is really neat, though. I did not know that was here. I'll have to get a photo of that. Yeah, it is. That's cool. Very cool. Sweet. Oh, it's all downhill. I guess we're going to be getting a workout coming uphill. Yeah. know if there's more to the bridge than this. I had to kill the camera because somebody was coming, so. We have a lot of people on this trail. Just heard a jogger go by. I heard his footfalls as he was coming, so I quickly stepped off the trail. And another guy walking his dog. Well, walking his puppy, which barked at me. Not a big deal, but. And another lady walking her dog. It's mostly been downhill so far. But it's going to be interesting coming back up. It's alright. I could use the sweating. There's a river down below, or a stream. Haven't seen any kind of a bridge yet. All this downhill, I'm feeling it in the legs. Having to hold myself up. Oh, I got some wildlife. Yeah, a little frog. Where'd you go? There he is. Just want to get a picture, bro. I guess he's camera shy. He ain't gonna eat you.